In this video, I'll be showing you how to access, edit, and upload an assignment through your Folio. So what is Folio? Throughout your time here at the College of St. Ben's and St. John's University, you'll be building a personal electronic portfolio or ePortfolio. Your ePortfolio will help you track your academic progress. You'll have access after graduation for free, and it can also serve to demonstrate your skills and experiences for potential employers. Your ePortfolio will be developed and hosted using Folio, which is also called Canvas Student ePortfolios. So let's begin. How to access your Folio. You'll first want to log into Canvas. Once you're in Canvas, you'll go to your Account tab at the top left. You'll see a link in the middle to Folio. Go ahead and select Folio. Once you're in your Folio, you'll want to go ahead and edit and add an image and information about yourself. To do that, click on your name. When you click on your name, it'll log you into your Folio site. In your Folio site, you'll notice that you can upload an image by clicking on the camera icon or clicking on the pencil to the right of your name. You can also go to Edit to the right of the overview. And when you click on any of these areas, it'll bring you into where you'll want to add an image, a tagline, and then add in some education and experience. Once you've completed that, don't forget to choose Save. Once you've added in your information for your Folio, next, I'll show you how to upload an assignment. I'm going to go back to my Canvas screen. Now from this menu, next you'll go to Plus New Project at the bottom right. Once in the project, go ahead and add a project title. In the title, you should add which artifact this is for. For instance, is it theological reasoning? Is it for Lit 1? So you want to add that into your project title. Next, you'll upload your file. So click on Upload Files. Notice the file types that are allowed. It does not allow MP4 files currently. So I'm going to go to Upload Files, and I'm going to choose a file. It might take just a moment for it to upload, but once it uploads, it'll show you a quick preview. You can upload more than one file here. So if you had to upload multiple files, or for instance, a draft and then a final copy, you could go back to upload and upload another file. As you scroll down, there's a category section. You can fill in a category. There are pre-populated categories. And then as far as a description, add in a description on what this project was for. So I could say this was a paper for theological reasoning. And then under skills and teammates, these areas are not required. They're just if you want to add them in to begin to build your Folio site. We'll leave those blank for now, and we'll go to the top and click Publish. Once you click Publish, your visibility options show. So go ahead and click Visibility Options. You'll want to make sure it's private. So if it's on any of the other selections, choose Private. The next thing you'll need to do is copy the share link here that appears below Private. This link will allow your professor to view your project. So I'm going to click on that and copy to clipboard. You'll notice it pops up at the bottom left. If you want comments, you can leave that there. I will uncheck comments. I don't need anyone to make comments on this currently, and I'll choose Done. You'll need to select your Not a Robot and publish your project. Once you've completed the publish process, it will give you a preview of that project. At the top right, I can just close out of the preview. And now I need to go back to Canvas and attach this link to the assignment. So I'm going to go back to my Canvas course on my dashboard. And I'm going to go to my assignment. I'll start the assignment. And then in the website URL, I'll paste the link that I copied and submit my assignment. And now that's submitted and the professor will be able to view it.